So wow, this is unbelievable, incredible. Alright, I'm here at the salt flats and it is 5 o'clock. I brought my snorkel mask with me and I came with the scooter. I didn't bring my phone, I didn't bring my drone, I didn't bring my wallet or other valuable stuff because we are on this island and there are some thieves like in every other country. So the only thing that I brought with me is the GoPro that I will take with me inside the water, of course, and the mask. But where do I have to leave my key? I put the key right on top of this wheel. So this is the entry and we have the snorkel right over there. I hope I can see some turtles. Oh, it was amazing. That cute sea turtle, he liked my GoPro. This snorkel trip was amazing. And look at the, oh, look at the waves. This snorkel trip was amazing. And look at the scenery. Oh, look at the pink. Look at the pink sky. This is my best snorkel trip, man. I'm having a little bit of cold because I forgot to bring my towel and I'm walking on these stones. Look at the pink sky. Oh my Lord, this is so beautiful. Oh. Oh, now I have to dry up. Woo. It's not cold, but I am cold. You know what I mean? People that would be here would find this very warm, but for me this is freaking cold. You know what's the most craziest part of all? Oh my god, look at the sky. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this. So people ask me, is the pink lake really that pink? Yes, it is. Look at this. This pink lake is really that pink. And you know, the color of the pink lake depends on the sky. If the sky is blue or pink, then the lake is pink also. So wow, this is unbelievable, incredible. These colors are incredible. If you want to experience the colors like you're seeing right now, come during sunset.